I am Bhosle Vikas Ramchandra, Assistant Professor in Chemistry in Rajashankar Samstha's Art, Science and Commerce College, Ramananagar, Burli. Today, we learn about molecular orbital energy level diagram for Be2 molecule, that is beryllium molecule. Be2 molecule. This beryllium molecule is formed by the combination of two beryllium atoms and 8 electrons. We know that atomic number of beryllium is 4 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. And another beryllium atom, its atomic number is also 4 and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Here 1s is lower energy orbit. That's why it does not take part in chemical bond formation. Only 2s, that is outer shell electron, outer shell orbit, take part in chemical bond formation. So 1s orbit remain as a non-bonded orbit. So only 2s orbit of each beryllium atom combine and overlap and to form two molecular orbital. So this is the atomic orbital of one beryllium atom and its outer shell is 2s. It contains 2 electrons. This is the atomic orbital of beryllium. It contains 2 electrons in 2s. One outer shell orbit take part in chemical bond formation. It contains 2 electrons. Then again another here. This is the atomic orbital of another beryllium. It also contains 2 electrons. 2s2. It contains 2 electrons, and according to the LCAO principle, these two atomic orbitals overlap and combine to form two molecular orbitals. One is bonding molecular orbital. This is antibonding molecular orbital. This is sigma 2s. This is sigma star 2s. Bonding molecular orbital is lower in energy. Antibonding molecular orbital is higher in energy. Here both beryllium atom contain total 4 electrons. Out of these 4 electrons, first 2 electrons enter in bonding molecular orbital because it is lower in energy. Remaining 2 electrons enter in antibonding molecular orbital. First 2 electrons enter in bonding molecular orbital, and we know that 2s bonding molecular orbital accumulate only 2 electrons. That's why remaining 2 electrons enter in antibonding molecular orbital. This is average Barry center. This is increasing energy level. Increasing energy level, and this is the figure for molecular orbital energy level diagram for Be2, that is beryllium molecule. Then electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of beryllium molecule. We know that atomic number of beryllium is 4. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. But 1s2 is lower energy orbit. That's why it does not take part in chemical bond formation. So it remains as a non-bonded orbitals. And for 1s2, later capital K is written here, but here two beryllium atoms are present, two 1s orbitals are present, that's why capital K is repeated here. And then next two electrons enter into the bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 2s. Here two electrons are present in sigma 2s, that's why this is sigma 2s2. And next two electron enter into the bonding anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star 2s. This is sigma star 2s2. Then stabilizing energy. Stabilization energy. We know that stabilizing energy of any molecule can be calculated by using formula number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electrons present in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. Here bonding molecular orbital contain 2 electrons into minus beta plus here antibonding molecular orbital also contain 2 electrons into plus beta. So stabilizing energy for beryllium molecule is 0. Then bond order. Bond order of any molecule can be calculated by using formula 1/2 into number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons present in antibonding molecular orbitals. Here bonding molecular orbital contain 2 electrons and antibonding molecular orbital also contain 2 electrons. Hence bond order of beryllium molecule is also 0. Stabilizing energy of beryllium molecule is 0. Bond order of beryllium molecule is 0. This indicates that beryllium molecule is not stable. As a result, beryllium molecule does not exist in nature. And then magnetism. In bonding molecular orbital and in antibonding molecular orbital of beryllium molecule, there are total 4 electrons are present and all 4 electrons are paired, and that's why beryllium molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Okay, so this is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for beryllium molecule. It can be formed by the combination of 2 beryllium atoms and total 8 electrons. Out of 8 electrons, 4 electrons are present in lower energy orbit, that is 1s. Each 1s orbit of beryllium molecule does not take part in chemical bond formation, so it is considered as a non-bonded orbitals. Only 2s atomic orbitals of each beryllium atom combine, overlap and to form 2 molecular orbitals. One is bonding, second is antibonding. Bonding is lower, antibonding is higher in energy. This is about the energy level diagram for beryllium molecule. This is the electronic configuration for beryllium molecule, that is letter capital K, K, sigma 2s and sigma star 2s2. This is the stabilization energy. Stabilization energy of beryllium molecule is 0. Bond order of beryllium molecule is also 0, and beryllium molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Okay, today we stop here.